Hello friends, in this video we will going to learn the three basic text formatting tools, that is bold, italics and underline. Let's begin with the practical. Here is the example. Then write the command for bold the text BF, word is in the curly bracket, and compile it. Here is the result. The digital library word is in the bold style. Then we will going to see how to underline the word. Take any word from this paragraph. I am taking the digital document word. Write command underline bracket digital word, then compile it. This is the result. The digital word now underline. Then you want to make the text or make the word italic. Then use text italic command. Slash text word organization in the curly braces, closing the curly braces, then compile it. Here is the organization word which is in italic. Now if you want to make text bold as well as italic, then simply use the command slash text bf in curly bracket text italic, then close or close the curly brace again, and again compile it. Here is the result. The organization word is now bold and italic both. Like this we will use the two commands at a time or three commands at a time. We have also used like this slash underline command also. Then emphasizing text. How to emphasize the text in the sheer latex? Text can be emphasized by using slash emph command. Sometimes the slash emph command behaves just a text italic, but it is not exactly the same. Let's begin with the practical. Here we will use the text slash emph command slash emph. Word is enclosing curly braces. Compile it. Here is the result. This is the collection word. It behaves like an text italic. Text italic. Here's the result. The word digital is now bold. Emphasize the collection text, collection word, and italic the italic the stress word. Here is the not much more difference in between the emphasizing text and the uh, italic text. It is just like text italic but not exactly the same. This is the this all things about the how to bold italics and underlining the text using sheer latex. Thank you.